Today, you're going to learn how to get superpowers.
I have superpowers.
It'll begin to flicker, light up. There's one card. Real magic levitation. Control the flow of the water.
Ah, that's crazy. What was that?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Today, I'm showing you how to get superpowers. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. So first, I'm going to show you a demonstration of my superpowers. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the secret of my powers and how you can do it at home.
Okay, V, check this out. I have a really cool trick to show you with this pepper, and I have some salt down here on the table, as you can see.
Okay.
So check it out. I'm going to sprinkle some of the pepper on the salt like this. Okay. So here, do me a favor, like mix it up a little bit with your finger.
Like all.
Yep. Perfect. Add a little bit more.
Oh my god, it's scary. I never know what's happening.
Right? Do you think there's any way possible you could like separate the salt and the pepper from each other?
No, I just mixed it up.
Right, it's totally mixed, right?
That's impossible.
No, watch.
No, seriously, that's impossible. Is that I'm confused right now. Ah, that's so crazy. That is really happening. What? What just happened?
I told you it's like a superpower. I can actually give the power to you too. Like here, take my hand. Now hold your hand over top of it.
I have superpowers. How cool is that?
Now watch. Keep your hand right there. Now look, if I let go of your hand, watch what happens.
Aww.
I took your powers away.
Yeah. What?
Stay tuned for the riddle at the end of the video and win this prize valued at $250. Watch the stream coming from the faucet. I can use the power of my mind to control the flow of the water. And it looks like the stream of water is just bending at the will of my hands. I can even do it with just my finger. I'm not touching the water in any way, and I'm going to teach you at the end of the video how this is possible and how you can do it at home. Okay, V, I have a card trick to show you. So I have a deck of cards here,
Okay.
and I've turned one card face down in the deck, right? So I'm going to send the thought of what card it is to you. Yeah, well, it's like a power I've been working on. Check this out. I can actually like concentrate the thought of the card right here in the tip of my finger and transfer it to you. Watch, let's check it out. What card did you think of? What did you think of?
Like, honestly?
Yeah, first thing that popped in your mind. What was it?
A queen.
Of?
Like,
You got
tell
it.
me you're all
What is it?
clubs.
Queen of clubs? Check this out. Look.
There is no way.
Look, here.
Why did that
Here,
hurt?
hold the box. Hold the box. Look, if I
Evan,
spread
there
through,
is no way.
look.
Are you kidding me?
There's one card in the deck that's face down and check that.
Oh!
Isn't that
Why
great?
did I felt it.
Right?
I felt it. How did you see that?
Okay, V, I have a new superpower to show you.
What?
Check this out. Nothing in my hands, right? Watch.
Superpower?
Very slowly, touch the tip of my finger.
Slowly.
Mm-hmm.
What
Feel
was
that?
that?
Did you feel that?
What? Yeah?
I can actually do it through objects too. So if I like take this fork, just take the fork.
Take it?
Yeah.
What? I don't know how to do this.
Here, you can take it now. Let's say you're in a dark area, you don't have your phone, you don't have a flashlight, but you have this light bulb. Take the bulb and focus your energy.
It'll begin to flicker, light up, just like that.
Take some confetti and focus on matching the resonant frequency of the paper. Watch. as if there is a force field of invisible propulsion around my hand. This looks like real magic. Okay, so here is the explanation of the jumping confetti superpower. So this looks like some kind of force field is just created around my hands, and it actually is. What you're seeing here is a visualization of the static field, the electric field created around my hands. The reason the pieces of paper are jumping like this is because the electrons in the paper on the table have become positively charged, and my hands are negatively charged with electrons. So the paper is attracted to my hand. It's almost as if I have turned me and the paper into magnets, and they're attracted to each other, and then the reason they fall back down is because of gravity. So the electrons are attracted to my hand, and then they'll fall back down. You can see them float up and fall right back down. That is real magic levitation happening right before your eyes. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The crazy thing is all of the amazing abilities you've just seen have the same secret. The secret is this right here. It's called the Electric Touch. It's a special device we have available now at evaneraTV.com, link in the description, that allows you to do amazing effects. And it's literally like having real superpowers. You can light up light bulbs, deliver static electric shocks to people, bend water, charge objects, and make things float, levitate, and jump on the table. People can even feel the static electric force around your body. And the coolest thing about it, in my opinion, is you can give your power to other people just by taking their hand. So you probably want to see what the device looks like. I don't want to go into too much detail because I don't want to make a bunch of magicians angry.
An organization that blackballs any performer who reveals a magician's secret.
But I'm going to show you the device right now and give you a sneak peek of how it works. The kit comes with everything you need to perform all of the tricks that you've seen in this video. It comes with a full instructional DVD that will walk you through all the steps to set this up at home, and this is what the device looks like. This is the Electric Touch. So this is an electronic device, and it will create a static electric charge on your body. You can see the little arc of electricity right there. And this is completely safe. It is a harmless static electricity shock. It kind of looks intimidating, but it's really harmless. So what the device actually does is it creates a static electric charge on your body, similar to when you run your feet across carpet. Then you touch something and it creates a little spark. It's just like that. But you have that power at your command anytime you want it. And you can turn it off anytime you want it as well. With this, you can show people tricks that look like real magic at a moment's notice, anytime, anywhere. The Electric Touch will really take your magic to the next level. You can take a normal card trick like you saw with the invisible deck, and it turns it into a mind-blowing effect where you actually transfer a thought to someone and they feel you do it. And if you don't know what the invisible deck is, evaneraTV.com. Lighting up a light bulb with bare hands. Of course, the Electric Touch makes this possible. When you touch the bulb to the ground, you're basically completing an electronic circuit. Kind of like flipping on a light switch, and your body is the conductor. Energy goes from you through the bulb, through the floor, back through you, back through the bulb, back through the floor, like a cycle. Once you have the Electric Touch in place on your body, it pretty much does all the work for you, which makes it really easy to use. So if you're doing like a walk around performance for people, or you're at a party, it's the perfect thing to have on you. The Electric Touch is kind of an expensive effect compared to other tricks on our site, but to me it is worth every penny. I've gotten the best reactions that I've ever received using this trick. In people's minds, it takes you from magician to perhaps supernatural being or wizard. Again, we have these available in our online magic shop at evaneraTV.com. We have a limited quantity available though, so if you want one, place your order now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. We make a new episode of How To Magic like this every single week, so if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. And it is giveaway time. I am giving away an Electric Touch to one lucky comment in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win an Electric Touch for free, I'm gonna mail it directly to your door. You don't have to pay me for it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Something funny, something we can all laugh at. You can leave as many comments as you want. In fact, the more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning. I'll go through the comments, pick out a random comment, and mail this trick to you. Here is the answer to last week's riddle. A lot of you got it right. It was an A. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Thanks for watching this episode of How To Magic. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see all of our videos. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.